Hi, I'm Eric Roberts with Worship Band Builder, and this is the first course for bass guitar for worship. Now this course, it follows very closely to the Worship Guitar Bible Study. So if your church is taking this course, you can jump right in, you can take your bass charts from the course right into the class, and you'll be able to follow along with the Bible study as well here online. So this is kind of like Worship Bass Bible Study. It's for you to do alone, online, or to do in a group with your church. But this course for the bass has been in the making for about 8 years. My brother asked me to teach him some bass stuff, and I started writing out charts. It's just been years and years of thinking, yeah, I'm going to get to this, I'm going to get it online. And finally, in this foundation session, we're going to be learning how to play just G, C, E minor, D. At the end of the session, you'll be able to play along with the guitar players to play How Great Is Our God. So I'm going to show you just the tips, the tricks, how to hold it, how to tune it, everything you need to know about just taking the bass out of the guitar case and working your way into being a useful part of the worship team. So if you'd like to do that, join me in this course, Worship Bass Bible Study for Foundations 1.